What's going on, guys? It's Andy. Welcome back to another episode on Painfully Honest Advice. So, it's that time of the month. I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys my top 5 stocks that I'm buying throughout the month of September. Now, I have my bucket list portfolio. This portfolio officially crossed over $150,000. I've been dollar cost averaging into this portfolio. That's been my strategy. It's primarily focused on growth stocks. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys 5 growth stocks that I'm buying, that I'm extremely bullish on throughout the month of September. Now, guys, if you are new to this channel, you like topics around the stock market, real estate, or anything to do with making additional passive income, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, the first stock is actually going to be one of the newest positions that I added in my portfolio, and this was just in the last couple days. And the company is ASML, and they're basically the world's largest semiconductor supplier. So I really like this company because here's the thing. When I go ahead and look at the shortage in the semiconductor industry, this is one of the largest companies in this space. And guys, as more and more technology companies are focused around this space, I see a lot of room for this company to go ahead and grow. That's why I'm investing in this company, because they basically supply the silicones to some of the largest distributors out there that make semiconductors. So I see the space growing over the next 10 to 20 years because there's still going to be a shortage of semiconductors in the short term, but in the long term, there's going to be more and more industries getting into this space. So this is a company that I really do like. And just in the last 1 year, this company is up over 100%. And in the last 5 years, guys, this company is up over 600%. So this is going to be the first stock that I'm investing in throughout the month of September. Now, jumping into another growth stock. This is a stock that I've had in this portfolio for a while. And this one is also going to be in the semiconductor space, and this is going to be with NVDA. Now, here's the thing. With NVDA, yes, it's also in the semiconductor space because, guys, I've done my research around this space. I see this company and these companies in the semiconductor space growing a lot over the next 5 to 10 years. I still think that NVIDIA has a long potential to go ahead and grow. Now, NVIDIA is really focused around chips and manufacturing chips in different industries. They're in the gaming industry, they're also in the car industry, they're also in the data center industry, and they're in the crypto industry. All of those industries are growing. So this is another one that I've had in the portfolio for a very long time, but this is one that I'm going to be adding on to throughout the month of September. And if we go ahead and look at the track record for this company, in the last 1 year, they're up about 70%, but in the last 5 years, NVIDIA is actually up over 1,300%. So very, very bullish on this one as well. This is another one I'm dollar cost averaging into. Now, let's go ahead and jump into the third stock. The third one on this list is going to be a stock that I actually started investing in when their IPO, and this is going to be with Robinhood. Now, the reason why I'm very bullish on Robinhood is because this is considered a rule-breaking company, in my opinion. This company is making it extremely easy for everyday retail investors to go ahead and start investing in the stock market. And guys, because this company makes it so easy with a clean interface and as well as with $0 commission-free trading, I believe this company is really disrupting the whole industry. So a rule-breaking company, in my opinion, that has a long potential for growth over the next 10 to 20 years. So this is a growth stock that I just started investing into. Very bullish on this one. I do believe short term, though, there's going to be a lot of volatility in Robinhood because there's going to be a lot of things that are going to probably play out in the next 1 to 3 years. But long term, this company, I believe, has a lot of potential for growth because they've disrupted this industry, and with $0 commission trading, with their interface, and especially as they're growing their portfolio and diversifying themselves in the crypto space as well as in the stocks space, they're launching new features. Like, for example, recently they announced that you can go ahead and buy into IPOs and you can do fractional shares with Robinhood. So another one that I'm bullish on. This company, we don't have a lot of track record data here because this company just came out with their IPO just in this last month. But this is going to be the third one that I'm going to dollar cost average into throughout the month of September and really focus on growing my position in. Now, the fourth one is going to be one that I've talked about a bunch on this channel. That's going to be with Tesla. Now Tesla, here's the thing. I've been dollar cost averaging into Tesla literally this whole year. This is a company that I'm extremely bullish on, especially because Tesla just had their AI day and they're working on a Tesla human bot. Basically, guys, when you think this company's done, they're not done. This company is ahead of the curve when it comes down to technology. They're focused on full self-driving, they're focused in the energy sector, they're focused on robotics, and this company has so much data that they're collecting from their full self-driving and from their autopilot on all their cars that I believe data is power, and with this company they can really use this data and the sky's the limit. So I am very bullish on Tesla. Over the next 10 to 20 years, I believe Tesla is going to have majority market share in the stock market, and this company, compared to the second largest company, is probably going to be double the market share in my opinion. So you guys can tell I'm very, very bullish on this one. This is one that I'm going to be dollar cost averaging into throughout the month of September. And as I see more and more things come out on this company has been trading sideways for a little while now. In the last couple of years, they were up a lot, but just overall in this last year, this is a good time, I believe, to go ahead and dollar cost average into this company before they take their next big jump. So this is going to be the fourth one. Now, jumping into the fifth stock. The fifth one is going to be one that I recently added in this portfolio. This was earlier this year, but there's a big bullish case around this company as well, and that's going to be with Disney. Now, here's the thing. Disney is a stock that I've had in the portfolio for a while. I actually sold out of Disney when the pandemic happened, and then I recently went ahead and started investing in this company. Yes, I believe Disney is a growth stock because this company is focused on diversifying themselves as far as how they make money. They make money through their theme parks, through all the different intellectual property that they have and all the different characters that they can go ahead and make movies around, as well as with Disney, they have their cruise line and they're not even started in that business back up yet. Along with that, Disney, with Disney Plus, has had record numbers as far as subscriptions go. So as far as the subscription model goes, I believe Disney is either going to be the number 1 or number 2 spot in the next 5 to 10 years. I still believe there's a lot of growth potential for Disney to go ahead and grow in the streaming space. Plus, we don't know what else Disney's working on. I believe they have a lot of potential. They also may get into the gaming space. Now, we'll see if that happens. So I do see the potential for this company to really go ahead and grow over the next 5 to 10 years. And who doesn't like Disney? And who doesn't like going to Disney parks? But guys, that is basically going to be the fifth stock on this list. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. These are the 5 stocks that I'm really going to be focused on buying into and dollar cost averaging in throughout the month of September. I'm going to leave it at that for this video. If you are new to investing and you want to go ahead and get started with investing, the 2 platforms I always recommend is Robinhood and M1 Finance. Both of them either give you free stock or give you money to go ahead and get started. I'll leave links down in the description below. But if you enjoyed this video, it really does help me out. If you don't mind smashing that like button. But thanks guys for watching. I'm going to leave it at that. I'll see you guys at the next one.